Hey guys, my name is Josh Scully. Today I'll be telling you why you should hire a tax professional instead of using a free tax software. I chose this topic because my job is being a tax preparer. And if you want to pay more taxes than you should go ahead and do it yourself. But I can tell you from past experience that I have seen many mistakes in self-prepared tax returns. I'm going to tell you 7 reasons why you should hire a tax professional. I got my sources from an article from the Accreditation Council for Accountancy and Taxation and an article from the CPA Practice Advisor. The first reason, it takes time and hassle of doing it yourself. If you ever done your own tax return, you would know that it takes a lot of time to gather all the materials and to figure out where to put it in the return. A tax professional would only take maybe like 1 to 2 hours to complete it. And if you hire a tax professional, you would gain peace of mind knowing that a professional is doing your taxes instead of you wasting time trying to figure it out yourself. The next reason is tax planning. Hiring a tax professional can help you each year on ways to lower your taxes. A tax professional would project tax due for the end of the year, and they will help you on ideas how to lower your taxes. They can also answer your questions and make decisions before year end, before it is too late. The next reason is resolving tax issues. Hiring a tax professional can help you solve any tax problems you have. If you got a notice from the IRS, you could call them, but the average wait time would be around 1 to 2 hours. But for a tax professional, they have a practitioner hotline for the IRS with a typical wait time around 10 to 15 minutes. There are times you would not need to call the IRS. You can just call a tax professional and they could answer tax issues for you. The next reason is learning all the tax codes and laws, which you don't have to keep up with all the tax laws and codes, but in 2015, there are around 10.1 million words of the U.S. tax code. This is the latest statistic out there, but Congress amends the tax code every year by adding more tax laws, so the number of words would get larger each year. So tax professionals would spend about 80 hours of continuing education each year, every 2 years, to stay current on the tax law changes. This right here is the U.S. Master Tax Guide for 2020, which is also my other citation. This book summarizes the code and laws into an easier to read format that helps tax professionals look up things quickly and look up things quickly and prepare tax returns faster. The next reason is making mistakes can be costly. If you self-prepare your returns, you are at risk of making plenty of mistakes. And there is a possibility that you put numbers on the wrong forms. I'll be talking to you guys about 2 examples of mistakes that I have seen on self-prepared tax returns. One client purchased a truck as a deduction, but accidentally put the purchase as income. So he had to pay tax on it. And then the other client did not track their tax carryovers from one year to the next, so they missed out on some deductions. The next reason is you can reduce your risk of getting an audit. Tax professionals know exactly what to do when you get audited. When you're using a tax program in a box cannot represent you in an audit. The IRS can be intimidating to people, but knowing what to say and not to say to an auditor is very important, which tax professionals are experienced and can make the process much easier and less stressful for you. The last reason is to save you money. This is the main reason you should hire a tax professional. If your tax preparer finds any deductions or credits you may have missed, these can cover the tax prep fee. A tax preparer can look at your prior year returns and to check to see if you missed any deductions, and they can amend your return and fix it for you, which could lead you to a refund. These are the reasons why you should hire a tax professional. To review the reasons why you should hire a tax professional, it lessens the time and hassle, tax planning, resolving your tax issues. You do not have to learn all the tax laws and codes, and you do not have to make mistakes. You got less risk of getting audited and to save you money. For all these reasons, you should hire a tax professional, in which you will be glad you did in the long run. I'll be ending it off with my power sense, which is hire a tax professional or end up paying more tax than you need to. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching.